So this is a 3-part gimbal. This is the base, and then there's another arm, and then there's another arm that goes up here. We'll have him start on this big one. I'll do the little one, and then we'll split the middle part.
You choose your tool of choice, and I'll.
Oh well, I'm gonna choose the Vera then. We'll have the impact gun out before too long.
We'll just call this a mixed media gimbal. So we've got 4mm thick carbon fiber plate, and then the sheet metal parts are 12 gauge mild steel plate that was laser cut at SendCutSend.
Clearly Brian's been a bike mechanic longer than me, because he's already far further along. I love Brian's disclaimer, like, I know the bolts are too long, just so you know I know that. And here's why.
It's not a race, dude.
Well, that's what I get for saying that. My little wrench doesn't fit in there.
Totally a race.
Rather than having a bunch of discussions and meetings before we ever try it, let's just put them both on the machine and see which one we like better.
Yeah.
The geometry works, even with these bend angles.
Yeah, it's like incredibly satisfying when this stuff comes together after staring at it on the computer.
Should we do a little pantomime?
This. Almost.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I loved assembling, especially things from scratch. A lot of details in it, and a lot of pride to be taken in how this stuff goes together. There's a nice solid feel to it. It does move a bit though. Got our tilt axis. We can energize these motors so it'll stay in place. As intended, cool. We could line this